Hello friends, welcome to this video. So here we are going to see about how to make this profit and loss statement and balance sheet in a shortcut method. So this will be the last video, and straight away we can go to this go to the topic. So we all know that. So what are the things that are in the debit side should be in the asset or expense, and what are the things that are the credit side? It should be in the liability or revenue. Okay. So I'm not going to explain much of the basics. So those who didn't see the basics, try to watch the first and second video. Okay. So first one, capital. So it is in credit side. So credit means liability or a revenue. So it is liability. Okay. Next one, cash. So cash will always be an asset. So machineries is also an asset. Purchases. So purchases will be an expenses, right? So it will be here. Sales. Sales will be a revenue generating activity. So fifth one will come here. Sixth one. So bank. So it is in debit, asset or an expense. So it will be an asset. Seventh one, advertisement expenses. So in the name itself, it is there. It is expenses. Then bank loan. So bank loan is a liability. Eighth one. Then ninth one, debtors. So debtors means, so it though like debtors are persons who will give us amount. Okay, so it will be a asset for us, see, because it is in debit side. So it is an asset or an expense. So it will come here. Then factory rent. So factory rent is an expense. Equipment. So equipment is an asset. Then creditors. So it is in credit side. So it should either be in a liability or a revenue. So of course it is not a revenue. So it is a liabilities. Well, then 13th one, rent received. So rent received is a revenue for me. So 13. Then carriage outwards. Just a minute. So carriage outwards means, so it is in the debit side. So it is an expense, right? So already I explained what does mean by carriage outwards. So it is a part of logistics, and it is an expense for me. So expense, it is in debit side and it is an expense for me. Then bills payable. It is in credit side. So it should either be a liability or a revenue. So bills payable is a liability for me, which is 15. Then discount received is a revenue. Then taxes paid is an expenses because it is in a debit side, so it is an expense. Advertisement expense, so the same criteria. Debentures, so debentures, so it is in a credit side, so it should be a liability or a revenue. So debentures I already mentioned in the last video. So it is like a bond through which I will get a lot of money. Okay. 4,70,000. So it is a revenue, which is it will come here 19. Then salaries and wages, of course, it is an expense. Then insurance is also an expense. Commission received. Oh, commission received will be a. It is in credit side, so it is a revenue, right? 23. Mm, office rent, it is a expenses. 24. It is not balancing something. Yeah, I forgot what it is. Which is the number 14, 15, 16, 17. Taxes 20, so it is 17. It was not showing. So I have made an error somewhere where it is one, second one cash is an second one, third one will come here, four will is an expense, fifth one revenue, sixth one sale, bank is an asset, seven will go there, eight bank loan is a liability, nine debtors debit. Debtors is an asset, expense, debtors on the asset, factory rent is an factory rent, 10th one இங்க வருது. It is an expense. 11th one asset, 12th one creditors, liability, 13th one rent received, 14 carriage out of expense, 15th one bills payable, credit side, so it's a liability, 16th one discount received, 17th one taxes paid, it's an expense. So 18th one advertisement expense, 19th one debentures, it's a revenue, 478 900. Then salaries and wages, insurance, 22 bills receivable. 90 bills receivable, 22. I forgot to add bills receivable. Bills receivable, it is in debit side. So it's an asset or an expense. So it is an asset, right? Bills receivable 22. Ah, now it got balanced. I forgot to add this column bills receivable. That's the thing. Now 1 12 28 700 12 28 700. Okay, fine. Sorry for this small error. Actually, in a hurry to complete this, like not a hurry. Like I tried to do this video a little faster. Like just by explaining, I thought of making a 10-minute shortcut. So in this hurry, I forgot to add this thing. So, okay, so that's all, guys. So just remember, don't get too much worried about this. What this debentures means, what this capital means. So just focus what in which column it is. See, like I think most of you will be confused with the capital and the debentures because debentures I added in the revenue, but capital is added in the liability. See, capital is always a liability thing. Okay, for example, so like how to say. Like I'm starting me and my friend are starting a business by putting some initial amount. Okay, so that amount is always a liability only. Okay, so it is something like I cannot explain in a very like what to say, very technical terms, but remember capital is always a liability. Okay, so just remember that life will be easy. Why to get very much complicated for one exam, right? So I know this exam is for students who will be in manage. Okay, we will meet in the next video. Thank you.